Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
7 of the best winter fruits to eat during pregnancy. Hi mommies, one of the best and easiest ways to protect from catching cold, cough and flu is by eating locally and seasonally available fruits. And if you're expecting and planning to have a baby, these are the winter friends that you must include in your diet. I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you what all you can have. So fruits and vegetables are widely available in the local markets, and according to the seasons, you can have them. Things like oranges, mousamis, pomegranate are actually brimming with vitamin C and oxidants, and they boost your immunity and it keeps the infection away. The chill in the air will bring cold, cough and flu-like symptoms, and these can be prevented by simply having these fruits. Sweet lime is very good. Guava, kiwi can also be included during this time. One of the best and easiest way to protect yourself is having seasonally and locally grown fruits. And if you're expecting and planning to have a baby, these are the winter friends. So get friendly. I will tell you about 7 different fruits that you can enjoy in this season. 1. Oranges. Oranges are well known for their nutritional benefits. Oranges are rich in vitamin C, and consumption on a regular basis will help improve your immunity. It is also very good for your skin, and it helps in iron absorption, which is one of the most important nutrients in pregnancy. It is loaded with vitamin C, and it also helps prevent neural tube defects. You can add this to a salad, have the fruit whole, or even make juice. 2. Pomegranates. This fruit is full of crystal-shaped beads or seeds, you can call them. Pomegranates are rich in iron, which help to prevent iron deficiency. During pregnancy, it is so important to keep your hemoglobin levels at a certain level. It is rich in fiber, and it also helps in preventing constipation. You can make a pomegranate beetroot juice or have just the seeds like that. And it has lots of nutritional value, and it will help in the iron absorption as well. 3. Custard apple. This is also known as sitafal, a fruit that is found only in winters and is loaded with vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C. During pregnancy, vitamin A helps in building the eyesight of the growing baby and the mother, and vitamin C will increase the immunity of the mother and the baby. The best way to have custard apple is to have the whole fruit, or you can even make rabdi or kheer out of it, and it is a very good source of calcium. 4. Apple. An apple a day keeps a doctor away. Whether it is red or green, they are very popular fruits. And it is one of the most delicious fruit, and it is loaded with vitamin C, A, potassium and pectin. Pectin is a prebiotic which actually improves your gut bacteria, and it helps in proper digestion. And there is a lot of fiber also in this. It prevents heartburn also. You can have the whole fruit. You can even have apple cider vinegar, which will keep the acidity at bay. 5. Kiwi. Kiwis are filled with good amounts of folate and vitamin C. It helps the skin also because lots of nutrients are available which are vital for the body. In pregnancy, having kiwi will help in the proper cognitive development of the baby. You can have the kiwi fruit as it is. You can make a lemonade or even a smoothie. 6. Indian gooseberry. This is also known as Amla. The Indian gooseberry is very rich in vitamin C and other essential vitamins like E, A, iron, calcium and fiber. If you include this in your diet, it will increase your immunity and prevent all the viral infections. It helps reduce the morning sickness, it maintains your hemoglobin levels, and it is also very good for gestational diabetes. You can make a mint chutney and add this to that. You can even make a juice out of this, and from dry amla, you can make amla candies as well. 7. Berries like strawberries, mulberries. Berries are available in different shapes, sizes and color with lots of health benefits. They're high in vitamin C, antioxidants, fiber, potassium and folate. It also helps in maintaining the amniotic fluid as it has good amount of water content. It is also rich in antioxidants and it protects against cell damage and the free radicals also. So enjoy all these fruits in your pregnancy. Thank you and namaste.